Alright, so I bought these wheels and just had them powder coated yesterday. And then I went ahead and put the tires on also. But I bought these for the crew cab truck because with the Forces, I can't turn full lock. And it's such a pain in the ass to like go into parking garages and then get out of parking garages and even parking spaces. I know with these, it may barely hit, if any. But I just wanted to have a daily setup because the Forces are kind of a pain in the butt. Not gonna lie. So I took them all apart the other day because I set them off to get powder coated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on, just show you a quick montage. I'm gonna clean up the tires also with some just regular APC, which is all-purpose cleaner. I dilute it 10-1 somewhat because I haven't really been doing that lately. But typically I dilute it 10-1. And I'm just gonna throw this on the wheels because I have it lying around and I hardly ever use it. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start getting going on this. Put them on the truck. And these are used tires, so that's the only reason I really got them. Was because there's someone all-terrain. Well, they are all-terrains, but not that aggressive, but they look kind of cool. And they were cheap. And then after we do those, and after the wheels are clean, so after we do those, and after the wheels are clean, I also bought these center caps for them to kind of go along with the look. So I'm kind of excited to see how they're going to come out, especially with the chrome all on it. I'm kind of scared that it's going to be too much chrome, but I guess we're going to find out real soon. So let me go ahead and get y'all set up so I can start cleaning these wheels and get everything going. All right, so again, don't mind all the trash in the background. I know it's kind of ugly, but it's meant for the wheels. So I'm gonna go ahead and start going on these. So what I'm gonna do first is put the chrome back on because I want to clean them all together. And then the tires, I'm gonna start cleaning those because there's no really necessary reason to clean the wheels because it is brand new powder coat, but it does have like little dust here and there, and then tire lube from putting them on. So chrome, tires, wheels, then I'm gonna put the center caps in. And if y'all are wondering, it is a Torque Spit 20. That is what these use for the back. It's just 3 of them. I would have put these tires on yesterday, but I knew that I had to install these chrome pieces, so yeah. Yeah, so that's how it's gonna look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the rest of them and check back in with you once it's done. Alright, so I got it all filled up, but I decided to actually bust out the all-wheel cleaner because that chrome looking a little too dirty. So basically what I do, especially since this looks, I'm gonna say it's a 5-spoke wheel, even though I know it's like multi-spoke, it's probably like a 10, but I go based off of the chrome. So there's 5 of them, so I'm gonna go this way, that way, and then probably 1 or 2 going around. Just leave it like that. So for this, you gotta let it sit for a bit. It's gonna start changing colors. But while that's sitting there working, I'm gonna start spraying the all-purpose cleaner on the tire, and then I'm probably gonna spray some on the wheels themselves and then on the back of the barrel. And the reason you wanna clean your sidewalls is so whenever you put tire shine on them, it sticks and lasts for way longer. And I just do a quick mist. You can see a little bit right here. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's starting to turn purple, which is good. It's breaking down the iron that's stuck from like brake dust or just driving on faulty roads. I'll put some more degreaser. Even some more on the wheels. And I also like this because it foams up pretty good. Let's do a quick. Bad boy's shiny now. So I'm gonna do that like 3 more times, and I'll check back in with y'all. All right, so now for the center cap install right here. No, they couldn't. Gotta pull these boys apart. And there's like a plastic cover on it. Now I'm gonna be that guy, and I'm gonna line up the Chevy symbol with the valve stem. Cause why not, you know? Oh boy. Yeah. They are kind of more gray than the regular black I have, but I'll live with it. For 20 bucks, I'm not really complaining. All right, last but not least, just drop my nuts with some black lug nuts too. They are used, they're not pretty at all. But they're black and they're free. So I'm gonna use those instead of the chrome ones because I feel like that'd be too much chrome, and yeah, I don't want that much chrome. Oh my god. Boy, it's heavy. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna run these for a good minute because the other plan too is to actually, so ever since I got them fixed up, like curb rash taken off of them, they never polished them out, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and polish them myself. Since I've been actually learning how to do them with the whole Zephyr kit and like a D-wall buffer. So yeah, comment down below, let me know what y'all guys think about this setup. I'm just gonna finish torquing the whole truck and then I'll give y'all an overview of just how it looks. All right, so we got that OEM fitment going now. Yeah, I like these wheels. I think they came out pretty clean, especially for powder coating them and putting all that work into them. Let me know what y'all think. Not gonna lie, I already kind of missed the forces, but I don't miss not being able to park anywhere. You see that? Yeah. Baby girl look good now. I dig it. Get a little zoom action. Yeah. Yeah, I really like this fitment right now. This is some peepaw fitment. Not too bad, dude, not too bad. Let me know what y'all think about the fitment. I kind of like it because it's that peepaw fitment. I ain't gotta worry about no wheels getting stolen or hit or curb rash because I don't care about these. Well, actually, I do, but not as much as I did about the forces. So comment down below, let me know which fitment you like more. Do you like the forces? Do you like the OEM wheels? What more do you want to see done to this truck? I have something planned. I don't know how soon it's gonna happen because it's a lot of work and I've never really done it before. I hope my uncle do it on the interior. If that hints anything. Let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Talk to you soon. Peace.